Hello viewer, how to set the schema in the Laravel website. So this is the Laravel website source code. So page view source. So this is our website. So the view page source is this. So here is the script, the JSON-LD. Here is the schema service. In the Laravel application, if you use this the definition in under the directly put the here, it's not failed to show. So here we implement the solution under the PHP score. We defined this and we set in this PHP under before the PHP we have defined. So just put the PHP code to show here. So here is the title, description, OGMS, keyword. We use the keyword. Also put the service type. This is the service type, category, data analytics, provider, person, database, username, and user data, user URL. This so offer, this is offer, and service base, so product BDT, and price 500. Availability is in stock, and also here is the URL is this, also valid from valid title, and item condition is a new condition. So automatically show here from that is normal and easily from here. So when you get the service based quotient base, this is quotient schema. So we check the quotient schema, how I set up these QFSs. KPS quotient title and quotient image this, and answer count is 1, and data created is this, organization is this. So this answer is this, and answer details is here, OC image is here, created data URL is this, author organization, and this is organization onboard and download 0. This is the QFS schema is here. This is also built from the Laravel. I have made this. So any type of quotient schema, any type of schema you need, so you can contact me to set up your WordPress or any PHP Laravel website or React or Next.js application. We can set up we can provide the best schema for you. Best of luck. Thank you.